Hi there, students. To loiter and to linger. Well, both of these mean to spend an extended time in a place. But to linger, you stay in that place and you're slow leaving because you don't really want to leave. You're enjoying it. We lingered at our table in the restaurant because we were enjoying our conversation. And finally, the waiter had to ask us to leave. But to loiter is to spend an extended time in a place, but without any reason. So it's to linger in a place without any apparent purpose. You linger in a place because you like it. You loiter in a place because you're bored and you don't know what else to do. In some countries, loitering is illegal. Loitering, staying for a protracted period of time in a place without any clear purpose, reason, or intention. She gave him a lingering kiss, a long-lasting kiss. She didn't want it to stop because she was enjoying it. So she drew it out. She made it as long as possible. So, lingering, an adjective meaning lasting a long time. The bad smell lingered for days before we finally got rid of it. Linger, to last longer than normal or expected. Notice, normally linger is positive, whereas loiter is normally negative. We lingered in making the decision. We took a long time making it. We considered every angle. We loitered in making the decision. We took a long time because we didn't want to make it, or maybe because it was boring. We spent more time than was necessary. Loiter. We wasted time. You can also use to linger, meaning to remain alive or just alive, but in a very bad state for a long time before you die. He suffered a lingering death. I would wish that to nobody. Okay, so to linger, to spend more time, to spend a lot of time, to loiter, to waste a lot of time. In various cases, these two can become the same. So, to linger, to delay departure. I lingered at my friend's house because it was very comfortable. To linger, to go slowly or leisurely. I lingered during my walk because I was enjoying it. To linger, to remain just alive. He lingered for many days before dying. And then to linger, to persist or to continue. The thoughts of her lingered, remained in my mind. The smell lingered. And then also to linger, to act slowly. And I think this final one, linger, is probably the same as loiter, but with a slightly different twist. To loiter, to stand about idly, not to do anything. To kill time in a place. So he was loitering by the bus stop. He spent his days loitering in the centre of town because he didn't have a job. Or to loiter, to stay in an area. The fog loitered late into the afternoon. It spent longer than expected, and we really would have liked it to go. And then to loiter, to proceed slowly, to act slowly. And here loiter and linger are effectively coming together as the same meaning. So yes, you linger, spend extra time, to loiter, to kill useless time that you don't know what to do with it. So next question, what about formality? I think I would give loiter maybe a 5.5 in formality. I think it's flexible and you could use it anywhere. Informally, you might want to say to kill time. And linger a 5.5 in formality as well. I think to stay longer, to last, something like that. So loiter is a regular verb. He loitered there. He has loitered there every day for a week. He lingered over the smell because it smelt beautiful. He has lingered over many things he should have done before. Both regular verbs. And then the origin. Well, loiter comes from Middle Dutch, lotteren, to shake, to wobble, to move. And linger comes from Old Norse, linger, to lengthen. And clearly linger and long length are both words are linked. So I think that's really it. To linger, you linger because you're enjoying it. You loiter because you just don't know what else to do. You don't know where to go. Or maybe you're loitering with intent to commit a crime. Yeah, he was waiting for his moment to commit an opportunist crime. And that's why loitering might be illegal. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Loiter and linger.